laughing little girl, you were swaying.
What's up, Al?
Hey, baby. I think it's Jeff.
That was my friend Al from Sarasota.
Then I headed back for home.
He can cook some killer chicken.
Running in.
My Western family.
How's your Venezuelan family?
It's fine.
Bueno, mucho bueno. Sí, señor Antonio.
We're gonna post this shit on YouTube. This is a Sawmill Campground at Fast, Country Western Weekend, spring 2008.
I have a question.
No question.
Hang on.
I have a question.
No cuestión.
I have a question.
Okay.
What am I doing here?
Because you like redneck.
Got one.
Okay. Now ask the question.
What is the pink flamingo doing here?
Well, it's not because you won the Florida lottery.
You got to play to win.
Started like this.
I think I'm going to have me a faulty or two.
I think so. And
Those gerbils, they just do not make good pets. I let it out in the backyard, and that thing has still not come back home. That's from Sheila Q. We all know her.
What's the consolation prize?